LifestyleLink is a comprehensive communications and management tool for communities that keeps members engaged, informed, and connected. Ready to see how LifestyleLink works for managing your community? Managing your community's content, events, resources, users, and units can all be done from the Management menu on your dashboard. Click the Add or Manage menus to open the drop-down and access the administrator options. Adding content is easy with the Add Content menu. Here you can add news, documents, or forum topics. Simply click the link in the drop-down menu to create a new piece of content. Click News to create a news item that will be published to your community. You can also send out emergency alerts or make important announcements sticky so they always appear at the top of a resident's news feed. Have documents like forms, rules and regulations, or architectural control info that needs to be available to residents? Simply click Document to upload a text document, spreadsheet, or PDF that can be accessed by all users. To start a new topic in the community forum, follow the forum topic link to quickly start a new discussion. Simply add your subject, choose which forum to post in, add your text and an image if needed, and save to post the topic. Creating community events is a breeze. Click Add Event and choose Event in your drop-down, and then add the details. Add a title and assign an event to a group if necessary. Add your date and time and any additional setup or cleanup time, and choose your amenity location. The system automatically removes any locations with conflicting events, ensuring you are never double booked. Add a description and eye-catching photo. Click Save and your event is added to the community calendar and event listings page. LifestyleLink lets you create private events. You can reserve an amenity location for things like resident parties, seminars, and other functions that are not open to the general community. Select Private Event from the Add Event drop-down to create and schedule a private function. Choose Registration Event to create ticketed events. You can sell tickets, set the date and time for ticket availability, limit the number of tickets, and track registration information. Easily promote events and enable members to register and pay online using a credit card or e-check. The Add Resource menu lets you create a new group or club, as well as add a new amenity location at your community. Create a group in a few easy steps. Click Group and name your new group or club. Add a description of the group and choose how residents can join. LifestyleLink offers 3 membership options that allow group leaders to control who can join their club and how membership is approved. Once your group is created, you can click on its link in the group list to edit details and add a photo. Creating a new amenity resource in LifestyleLink is a snap. Click Amenity and enter the name of the location or room, add an optional description, and even set the price for using the space if applicable. Save it and you have a new amenity location available for residents. The Manage menu includes links to edit your landing page, manage community members, view orders, and manage units. Edit your community homepage with the landing page link. This is the page residents see when they log into LifestyleLink. Click Edit to change community details, hours and contact info, and add photos. Click Members to view a detailed list of residents. From this page, you can email residents directly, masquerade, edit profiles, send a password reset email, block or delete a user, or move them in or out of a unit at your community. You can also add a new user or upload a file of new users from this page. The Orders link allows you to see all registrations for ticketed events. Here you can view order details and manage registrations. Click Units to see all addresses in your community. Here you can edit information, vacate, and delete a unit. You can also add a new unit or upload a file of new units from this page. You are now ready to create and manage all your community content. For more LifestyleLink tips, tricks, and tutorials, visit our YouTube channel.